Steve, there are so many lawyers out there. You know, the yellow pages are full of them. What is the best way that you can find the best lawyer to represent you in an injury case?
Well, Judy, that's a great question. I think the best answer is word of mouth. Ask your friends, ask your coworkers, ask lawyers, you know, who the specialists in personal injury are. You can even go and find most of our judges are accessible. You can ask your doctors. Once you decide on narrowing your choices, interview those lawyers. Ask them how often they've tried cases like yours, what their results are. Find out what their track record is, and more importantly, find out who in the firm will be working on your case. The best injury lawyers are the lawyers who get to know their clients, to get to know the impact their injuries have on their lives, and do whatever they can to present the case the best way. We have 2 paralegals, both are registered nurses, and we find that when you combine the best legal talent and medical talent, you really have your case preparation down. You're ready for trial, and that's what often produces the best settlements.
That sounds very thorough and professional. What types of injury cases do you see affecting most people nowadays?
More and more, we're seeing severe injuries and death cases arise out of nursing home abuse cases and big trucking accidents.
Many of our parents and relatives, you know, end up in nursing homes. Should we be concerned about that?
Absolutely. We now have about 3 million people being treated annually in nursing homes. About 1.5 million are permanent residents. There are over 16,000 nursing homes open in the United States. And Medicare and Medicaid are now spending over $120 billion a year to take care of these people. You might be surprised to know that of the top 10 nursing home chains in our country, 6 are owned by major billion-dollar investment groups, like the Carlyle Group. General Electric just paid almost $2 billion for a nursing home chain. And what do these corporations and investment groups do? The bottom line, they cut the nursing staff, they reduce the medical supplies, they cut the resident activities. Unfortunately, we see that the lives of our loved ones are often turned over to the $8 per hour nursing aides. They frequently sedate the patients, keep them in bed, and under control, so to speak, instead of providing them with the activities and the care they need. These patients are lucky if they see an RN or an LPN for even an hour a day. It's really no wonder that we're seeing an epidemic of dehydration, malnutrition, untreated infection, and bed sores.
How can we check out a nursing home's reputation?
The best and the quickest way is to go online and look at nursinghomegrades.com. It's a wonderful website. It'll show you the results of the state surveys for each nursing home. You can see where their deficiencies are, where they violated the Medicare and the state regulations. You can see the plans of corrections that have been ordered for each nursing home. Then what you want to do is go interview. Interview the administrator. Interview the director of nursing. Find out about their staff. Find out about their conditions. Before you turn your loved one over to their care, you want to know the type of people and the type of environment that they've created.